Okay. Volume. Hey, I'm going to take you way back. To like, honestly, I'm going to take you way back to 4th grade.
4th grade? 2000?
Here we go. 4th grade. I can tell you this because I got a 4th grader. Here's how it goes. Let's say that we have a rectangular solid. And a rectangular solid, this is also called a rectangular prism. What's the difference between a prism and a pyramid? A prism, yes, a pyramid comes up to a point. A prism does not. Its base is the same thing. The top and the bottom are the same. Does that make sense? Okay, so here's what's funny. Let's say that this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, everybody good? If I wanted to calculate the volume of this sucker, how would I do it, 4th graders? 4 times 5 times 6. Are we good with that?
Yep.
So 30 times 4 is 120?
Yep.
So that would be 120 centimeters what? Cubed. Because why? I multiplied centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. Yes, no?
3-dimensional.
Okay, now, but what happens is instead of I had the exact same base, this is where I don't want to lose you. If I had the exact same base, except I pulled them all up to a point. You see what I did there?
Yeah.
So now I've just pulled them all up. I've condensed. How many of these pyramids do you think fit inside that prism? 3. Indeed. See, isn't that easy? There will always be. Here's the weird thing. If you take this pyramid and you fill it up with water, and then you have the same exact base, the same exact height. Now remember, the height of this sucker is not the slant height, it's the actual height. Are you good with that?
Yes.
Okay. If you were to take this, fill it up with water, and then you start dumping it in here, how many times do you have to fill this thing up? 3.
3 times.
Always.
Apparently.
Always. It's a really weird thing. I could prove it to you, but I'm not going to do right now on my video. So watch this. To find the volume, here it is. Here it is. To find the volume, what did you do over here? Length times width times height?
Yeah.
Now, shorten it. What is the length times width also known as? What about the base? The area of the base, right? Okay, so how did you find the volume of this one?
Area of the base.
Times the height.
Times the height.
What's the capital B stand for? Area of the base. What's the H stand for? Height. So if I were to, so this is the volume of a what? Prism. It doesn't matter. It could be rectangular, octagonal, doesn't matter. But then if I go over here, how do I find the volume of this?
Base. 1/3.
Area of the base times the height divided by 3. There's your formula.
Nice.
There's your formula. So trickle down, trickle down, trickle down. Trickle down, trickle down. That was like a cool song. Okay. Now we have to find what? The area of the base? So look, now we have to find the volume of this sucker. So the volume is area of the base times the height divided by 3. How do I find the area of this base? I just taught you the formula. Area of the base is what? 1/2 apothem times the perimeter, and then I multiply by the height, and then I divide by 3. How'd we do? You lost? I'll post the video. So 1/2. How much is the apothem? 6.88. How much was the perimeter? How much is the height?
32.
No, that was a slant height, wasn't it? How much was the actual height?
7.03.
11 point who? 03. Divide by 3. Calculator people. How much is that?
632.3.
They're not calculated.
How much?
632.39.
632? 632.39 watts.
Centimeters cubed.
Centimeters cube or cubic centimeters. That's how you find the volume.